Stolen cars, call police.
There's 3 Cybertrucks. 1, 2, 3.
It's one of the hottest Escalades in the city now.
It's not no old man car that people think it is. What size? 26s, baby. We got an Escalade that's all finished up on some 26-inch Avant Garde Forged wheels. This truck does not have air suspension, but we still lowered it using lowering springs. So if you guys have an Escalade or a Yukon that does not have air ride, hit us up because we still have an option to lower it.
Okay, cool, done. Okay, I got the vehicle booked in. We'll see you on Tuesday. All right, thank you. Take care.
Last but not least, baby. That's those Porsches. Alright guys, sun brings out the wheels, baby. 4 Giotto 26s for an Escalade, 24-inch 4-plate for a Tesla Cybertruck. We got 2 sets of Vossens, RS5 fitment, and a Rivian fitment forged. And what else we got here? And we got 8 26-inch Giovanna Tullums. These things are sold out everywhere, but we got another 8 pieces in-house. They're blank. We'll drill them to whatever you want, baby.
It's a Ferrari, 488.
488. So we're gonna do a 21-inch front and a 22-inch rear.
Oh, you guys already know what we're gonna do?
We've done this car tens of times.
Oh.
Yeah, 21-inch front, 22-inch rear.
And you guys go on offset?
335 wide tire. The offset and everything will be to us. Don't worry. We're gonna make it look nice.
So 24-inch Giovannas, we got plenty of them in stock for Escalade fitments. So give us a call and the Woodbridge or Etobicoke location, and we will lock in for this Giovanna wheels for you.
Reset the TPMS in the Bentley. If you guys have any questions for the TPMS stuff, we do have a TPMS channel. It's called Sensor Academy. Make sure you guys subscribe. any vehicles you want to see TPMS reset procedures on, let me know and I'll upload a video for you guys.
Oh, you already gave it.
Oh yes.
You got some already too. You guys, this guy's amazing.
Yeah, I know.
What a nice guy.
He always brought it like.
Always, man. Always. Never does it.
Yeah, so
you know?
because
A1.
the Forgados are
Get drinking. Alex. Yeah.
Hey, calling from Premier Tire. Your 4 wheels ready to go.
Okay, yo, listen. I have the air compressor that we bought. Yes, I bought it last night. It's here now. I want to bring it to the shop. I want to plug it in, and I want to run the tire machine off of it. Thing's on. You hear that? It's on.
Have anything in it?
It's on right now. What? Yeah. What? Yeah, so this is for our mobile unit. So the whole purpose is we have a lot of high-end clientele. We go into like somebody's driveway. We don't want to be causing a disaster with all the noise and whatnot. So we're just trying to invest into the right quiet technology that's gonna let us deliver the results that, like, as if we're in shop without all the unnecessary noise. That's what we're working on right now. Like I have
OG Premier Tire.
That's when we first started in 2013. This is what our swag looked like. Look, this was all made on Microsoft Paint, baby. Jeez. Microsoft Paint. But bro, even you could still wear the today. It still looks okay.
Yeah, it still fit me, I would, but
V-neck shirts. Oh my god,
it's just
bro.
the era, man.
So this was the old drip, and this is
Evolved.
the new drip, baby. The new drip. The new drip. And proper GSM count and everything. Wow.
Alright, behind me I got this Benz S580. We just got it done for AA Canada. Shout out to the team over there. We did it on Vossen HF8, lowered on those fitted specs, you already know. Shout out AA Canada, shout out Fitted Spec, and shout out Premier Tire, baby. You already know we the best.
We got the white range on the silver wheels, white SCC3 on the polished wheels, and we got the white X6 going on the chrome wheels.
The thing is that these are 3-piece rims though, and we can take these apart anytime and get them refinished. You curb or hit the curb bash, no problem. Even if you bang a rim up, I can order just the lip. You don't need a whole new rim.
Honda Civic on Aodan AH03s, silver brush, 15-inch 15x8 plus 20 offset. If you want yours, give us a call.
Hey bro, this car looks good, huh? He's at the other store.
Alright, so we're in Rexdale, 249 Rexdale, and we got this Porsche Panamera behind me. We did some 80V1 wheels on it with the Michelin Pot Sport Ferraris. 285 front with that 335 rear. You know nobody else does it like that. So I got my boy Mose's truck behind me. It's the Ram TRX. We outfitted on those Vossen HF8 wheels. Truck turned out hot. Make sure you give him a shout, Mr. Greenlife. If you need any of your AC units done at the house, shout out to the boys.
We're gonna go see Ceramic Pro. My boy Marky from Vaughan Electric. He got his vehicle wrapped there. We're gonna do some touch-ups. We just did the wheels. It's gonna be crazy because they're gonna ceramic coat the wheels now. They're gonna give the truck a once over and it's gonna look brand new again, baby. Let's go, come on. Go, so fun fact, guys. Back in 2013 when I started the business, this was the first proper lease I took out for any facility. It's a 3-bay operation we had. I'll show you guys a before pic, insert here. And let's go see what it looks like now. My guy Jeff took over my lease when it was done. As we upgraded to a much larger facility, it was time for him to upgrade as well. It's a great spot to do what he's doing. So guys, if you're from Vaughan, you will know the history behind this car here. This was the first ever chrome wide body M3 20 years ago. It's making a comeback, E46 M3 wide body, new owner, and it's coming together nicely. It's perfect. Yo, wait a second. Stop right there. There's 3 Cybertrucks. See that? 1, 2, 3. Tesla. Built American tough. America, Tesla, Elon. So we're here in the wash bay at Ceramic Pro Vaughan. They are an elite dealer. You want to sell Ceramic Pro? Contact my guy Jeff, tag below. Hit them up. They'll get you set up on the Ceramic Pro programs and get you guys making some extra money.
Alright, so we got this 2025 Escalade V done for our friends over at Village Auto in Ancaster. Obviously, we had to do it on the 26-inch Forgiato trimestres, and of course, we had Frankie lower it on the fitted specs. And take a look behind me. It's one of the hottest Escalades in the city now. Check it out.
We did the Origin Forged GT3 style with the center lock. Even though this is a 5-lug 911, we're using the center lock caps to get that appearance. And we did a 20 by 8.5 and a 21 by 11.5 to match up with those OEM tires with more aggressive offsets, so the stance is more beefed up from the stock wheels.
The first time you ever caught me working.
I should have hit him.
Bro, that's too much.
No, it's not. It's a double pancake. There's so much stuff on the bottom.